Hi, thanks for tuning in to our third video in our AutoLUX overview series. Today we're looking at schemes, which are light fixtures such as a street light, a wall sconce, a bollard, anything that has a kind of a non-aimed type of luminaire. In this drawing, we've already laid out a grid. You can see we have calculation points already established with values. We can see that underneath this canopy we have a lot of light, so 163 under there, but in this back corner we've only got 0.1, so maybe we want to add a new light fixture there. I'm going to go to the scheme drop down menu and go to scheme. Here we can see the two schemes that I have in my drawing. I can edit those if I want to, but I want to add a new scheme using the AutoLUX guide. First thing we want to do is choose the photometric file that we've downloaded from our manufacturer of choice. I'm just going to grab a general IES file. These are readily available at most manufacturers' websites. Next, I want to choose a symbol and how I'm going to scale the symbol. This is a metric drawing, so we're in millimeters, but this would apply to as inches in an imperial type drawing. Next, I go to Details 2, and I can choose the number of luminaires mounted to this particular pole. You can see we can have several kind of unrealistic schemes there, but for this one I'm just going to choose one, and I can choose if it's on an arm or if it's just on the top of a pole, and I can give the distance of that arm if I want to. There is a little bit of ability to aim the light if need be. There is a tilt and a roll angle you can set, but it's going to apply uniformly to all of the luminaires in this scheme. There's no separate aiming for schemes. We've got a pole. It's going to be 10 meters tall. We can name this whatever we want to. Call this MW100. We can also create a draggable template that lets you see the illumination values as a preview. So not the way it would interact with other lights, but if this light was by itself, we could add some values here, and we get a little preview of what the light it puts out. And then finally we can tag it with a label if we want to. Hit OK. We've created that new symbol, scheme, template XY, and here is our new fixture. We can see the preview. I place it in space. I can rotate it as I want. Complete the command, and now I can hit calculate, and we see that the lighting in this back corner has vastly increased. We can go on and add this light fixture throughout the site as appropriate.